This wants me out? No, we don't want you out. I want to talk to you. Wait. Relax. Don't worry. Chill out. Okay.
You are our guy, man. Come on.
Hi. I'm ChannelCheck. It's my dad. See this.
I can't come for your issue.
I'm not come. I'm come for Uday specifically. Because Uday is my friend. Who? Uday? Yeah, he's my friend.
You want to join? You do me one favor. You come with me, we will just talk there.
Yeah.
You please come with me.
Wait. Is this?
I'm telling you nicely.
Papa, you can't wear a BJP flag and come to the Congress of
I'm telling you nicely.
Listen.
My request.
I can't bring a BJP.
My request.
My God, is this?
No, you cannot. Either you remove it or leave it.
Let's get it.
I don't care. Now I'm telling you, take out your bloody, take out the BJP thing here.
No.
Or you go out.
Okay.
Leave the office. Right now.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Where is Girish?
Please leave the house.
Please go
Please leave the house.
Joel?
I talk to you, so I'm coming.
You go take him out.
बेचारे लगा Now pick me up and throw me.
No, come. We'll talk here.
Sit here, Baba. Baba, listen, sit down.
I want to talk to you.
Not in the office. He has to go out from the office. If he wants to meet Girish, let him wait down. Not with the Congress flag.
Not the Congress.
Not with the BJP flag.
Baba, I had Congress blood in my blood. I'm a fourth generation. I'm a fourth generation Congress supporter. What you guys did to me personally is miserable.
See, listen.
Okay.
Personally, you have against.
I am not come here for personally. I am come here for Uday. He's my friend. That's all I'm saying. Don't make it an issue.
Fine. But
Okay. I don't want. See, they asked me to bring a voter's card in order to sign up. I'm not signing up. I'm just come here for a specific purpose. That's it.
Yeah, but
Just to be
remove
here.
the saffron from you and you can be here.
Why?
That's not a problem.
What is the problem with the color?
Can you come? We'll talk.
Yeah. Listen. This is Joel. He's also my friend. Okay. It's not a big thing. It's not an issue. Okay. I am come just to say hi to Uday. Okay. He is one of my good friends. Okay. And it's like we are giving one of our biggest weapons to Congress. Okay. So use it well. That's all.
So what is the issue now?
Issue is I'm just come to say hi to Uday. I see. Okay. Last time I went campaigning for Congress. Okay. We all know what happened. Okay. After that, what is the consequences? Okay. So, my dad, my grandfather, my great grandfather, my brothers, my nephew come here. Okay. So fourth generation. All right. I'm not saying anything. All right. I just said I'm coming here to say hi to Uday, who's a friend. All right. This is a symbol. Okay. Yes, I am a BJP karyakarta at the moment. Okay. But what's the harm if I have friends? Why do your enemies have to be my enemies, dude? You understand? Come on. It's a free world. And the way they treat me like this.
Trying to change the political situation.
It's not about, it's not about changing the political situation. How is this going to change the political situation? See, everybody in Goa knows, okay, how to vote, who to vote for, okay? People are not dumb, okay? The middle class, the intelligent, are aware, okay? Just because I am just going to support them.
The issue was only that you have got the flag of BJP in the Congress house. That's why they are...
Send you out.
Why? I am so... Listen. I can't... Listen.
How can you...
Listen. Okay. You know who this is? Yeah? Okay. This was in Abu Dhabi. Alright? My dad was part of the security member system because he was connected with the Indian Social Center. And he was one of the security entourage. And he knew the Gandhis for a long time. Okay? Huge supporter. Alright? But what happened? I was in India. Okay? I know the Gandhis personally. When I used to go to... I see them. Now, what is happening today in Congress? Okay? Come on, man. You have the majority.
Brother, you met now Mayor Uday.
I want to meet him. Okay. I want to give him a birthday gift. Okay. This was his birthday gift. Indira Gandhi with flowers. Okay. And say good luck. What's so bad about that? Because I'm not taking out this flag. Okay. I am Kenneth Goa.
So now again you will go or you will go directly down now?
I don't know. He's going to talk to me. Okay. And then after he talks to me, he will tell you what happened.